Hi guys, Tracy here with another kit day video. I'm going to be unboxing two Ali Edwards kits. I have the story kit here and I have the stories by the month kit. I just opened them up to peek and see which ones I have. This is the March kit for stories by the month, and this is, I think it's called Awesome. If you subscribe now, you'll get the April kit, and it looks really nice and exciting. I can't wait to see it. So this, I'm going to start with the Stories by the Month kit. This is her everyday scrapbooking kind of pocket page or project life kit. So this kit comes with a stamp set, some embellishments, and some cards. So I like to always start with the cards. So I'm going to put all of these things over here and bust into these cards. All right. It is March 17th right now. Happy St. Patrick's Day. And I am looking forward to getting some pocket scrapbooking done in the next couple of days. I do have to work tomorrow, but I'm hoping that I'll get to pocket scrapbook soon. So I will be using these fairly soon. So every Stories by the Month kit comes with 5 4x6 cards. So 4 of them are in this little package, and then one is always a quote card that comes loose in the kit. So this one says, "The trees began to whisper and the wind began to roll, and in the wild March morning I heard them call my soul." Oh, that's a nice one. So here's the quote card for the month of March. That is a nice one. I like that. Then we have the month 4x6 card. It seems like every month has one that's similar to this with the month in circles. These are single-sided cards. Then we have this card which has these circle, like splotchy circles that say March sights, March sounds, March tastes, feelings, and more feelings. And then another one says right now. Oh, I love this. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Oh, love, love, love. And then this one says around here, and a few details about life right now. So those are the 5 4x6 cards. Then we get 8 3x4 cards. So this one is like a rainbow card that says moments on it. Again, these are single-sided. This says, "This happened, March stuff." And there was one of these for February and one of these for January. A beautiful story. Loved this moment. Oh, I like that. March gratitudes. There's a gratitude card every month with the same font, so it'll look really nice repeating in your album. And then there's a March this and that, and there's a this and that card just like this every single month as well. So there's lots of repetition in this kit from month to month. I haven't noticed that in previous kits. In previous years, I did subscribe to the Stories by the Month kit 2 other years, and I just don't remember noticing so much repetition. And I think that that's going to be really nice in my album. Maybe it always repeated, but I didn't notice it. But this one says, "Enjoying over and over again in beautiful colors." I love the color scheme for this month. And look at that heart. Oh, that is gorgeous. So lots of greens because St. Patrick's Day falls in March. So those are the cards. In addition to the cards, we get chipboard that does not have the adhesive backing on it. Let's see how well it holds inside of the cards. I hope it holds up better than it seems, but these are kind of like falling out already. Oops. I'm gonna have to line this with tape of some sort, which I don't really like doing, but I've decided I'm going to keep on storing them like this in their 4x6 sheets. So what I'm going to do, because I was using washi tape and I was using up some of my favorite wide washi tape, and I just don't want to do that. So I'm just going to put painter's tape across the back of this just to hold them in place. Oops. It's the back side, so it doesn't really matter if it pulls off some of the layers when you poke them out. But this is what the chipboard looks like. A little story about today, ready for a refresh, and more of that beautiful pattern that I like so much. This story has my heart, March memories, and more of that enjoying pattern. Love the colors. This is just gorgeous. Then we have a word sticker sheet. I like to unbox my kits and just kind of like get them ready for using when I unbox them. So here are all the beautiful words, very spring related, although we don't get many flowers and blooms and blossoms in March in my part of the world, but we can dream about these things. I love the color too. It's this really beautiful, almost like a mint green, but it's a little bit creamier than mint. It's beautiful. And the font is green too, like a dark green. That's really, really lovely. Then we get some painted wood veneers. These are tags, and there are 5 of them in all of those beautiful colors that come with the kit. And then we have the stamp set for the month. This stamp set, every month there's a small stamp set that comes with the kit. And this one has the word March and enjoying, as well as a few other phrases, and this kind of splotch of color, and then this which you could layer on top of it. It says right now. So that is the Stories by the Month kit. Can't wait to use it. So I'm going to slide it right back into its pocket. It doesn't come in the nice little pouches that they used to come in, but this will hold everything together. Now let's have a look at the story kit. This story kit is called Awesome. I think it's called Awesome. Yep. So the story kit is not so much an everyday documenting kit, although you can use it for that, and I have used it for that. It's more of a themed storytelling kit. So the story kit is set up more with storytelling in mind, and it revolves around a theme. This month's theme is awesome, and you can tell because there's always a title piece. In this case, we have a piece of gold cardstock that says awesome. So I will show you the cards. There are more cards. There's also paper and more embellishments in these kits. So these kits are bigger than the Stories by the Month kit. So this month there are 6 4x6 cards. This one, which says super great, here for all this. This one is a really pretty yellow pattern. These are also single-sided. A story of awesomeness, bring on the good stuff. This one has all these circles with awesome inside of them. This one is two-tone with awesome, there's always something, and then not awesome, there's always something. And then here we have a list card with 5 awesome things that you can list out. So this month we get 8 of these 3x4 cards. This was awesome, and this is why. Nope, not awesome. Here's the story. So good. Oh wow, this is awesome. right now. Awesome looks like, sounds like, tastes like, and feels like. More awesome with blue background. These pretty little rainbows, or whatever you want to call them, depending on which way you put them. Really pretty color scheme. And then this one says wonderful. This is just awesome. So there are those cards. Then, as I mentioned, we get this title piece. There's always a title piece. This time it's gold foil. There's always a handful of embellishments, but first I want to show you the papers. So these papers are 8 1/4 by 7. And they're single-sided as well. So we have this pattern of green dots on a white background. Then we have this pattern of words on a white background. Wonderful, so great, awesome, amazing. This one, which makes a nice journaling card, the story of something awesome. 4 different places for you to write that story. And these are sized to go in those little binders. Then we have a couple more papers here of cards. These ones are 8 1/4 by 3 3/4. And this one says, awesome, here's some good stuff happening. These make cute little inserts. And this one has all these pink X's on them. So 2 of those. They can be used as dividers or inserts. Then we have some chipboard. Gotta love painter's tape. So here are the chipboard pieces that come in this kit. Amazing, so totally thankful, awesome, thanks for this awesome adventure, embracing the stuff that's awesome right now, awesome, looks just like this, the best, and amazeballs, yes, 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 yes. These are really pretty. Oh, and there's also a yep and a nope. Then we have these are perforated phrases. They look like they're cardstock and they are gold foil. So there's 2 sheets of it and they're different from each other. Like, well, it's 1 sheet, but it's, you know, double-sided. So these are some of the phrases and patterns. These are cute. These are going to make great embellishments. Then we have some glittered words. Oh, some of them are smaller. This is amazing. Oh, I like these. So these are chipboard, glittered chipboard, and the little center pieces do pop out pretty easily, especially on the bigger pieces. Takes a little bit more work on the smaller ones. So we've got rad, cool, this is amazing, so totally awesome, just amazing, awesome, and lovely. So bring these up close so that you can get a better look at them. I like the color of these too. It's like a very neat and unique shade of blue. Then we have some little fabric banners or flags maybe. They look like patches. Amazing. This is just awesome. And this is so incredible. Love those colors. And then we have a little package of what looks like vellum rainbows. Now you can get a stamp set that goes along with the story kit, which is, it adds another, I believe, $20 to the subscription. If you get the stamp set, you also get access to the story class and some digital files, I think. I don't know, I never pay attention to the digital files because I don't use them, but there we go. Vellum rainbows. in different shades of color that coordinate with the kit. So there you go. These are the 2 kits for the month of March from Allie Edwards. I can't wait to use these. Take care and have a really great scrappy week. Check out the website if you are interested in purchasing these. I'll just put it up there. There it is. So check out Allie Edwards if you want to pick up these kits. Take care and have a really great scrappy week.